Yeah, it's straight out there at 1 o'clock. I don't know if you want to put the camera on that or not. Don't lose your trees.
No, I'm going around here.
There it is. Right there.
That's it.
Straight out at your 12 o'clock. There may be sisters.
I think we got sisters. Right there. Oh, yeah. Look at that. There she is.
I'm gonna zoom y'all back now so you can get an idea of the size of the
Right there in
the storm system.
Guys, I think we had touchdown back there.
Okay, back in so I can get you up here to 44 and across east.
Stay up with it.